A bed. But is it really just a bed? And what are the components that make up the perfect bed? Specifically, the Airbnb bed. Let me show you how to do it. It's comfort, style, and cost efficiency. And we're gonna make this happen. So the components of an Airbnb bed, how they're different from your bed at home, is that you're looking at cost efficiency and the fact that you most likely will have to replace certain items. The first being the actual sheets. Don't spend a lot of money on the actual sheets because you will have to replace them. I do recommend just getting them all the same color. If your Airbnb has a few bedrooms, get them all white. Make it easier for your cleaner, make it easier on you when you need to replace them, and ultimately save money that you're not buying super expensive sheets only to replace them. Now, the most important part of an Airbnb bed, and you'll notice this from hotels, is that there's not a, well, there shouldn't be a comforter. Comforters are bulky and difficult to wash. Do we all understand what I'm saying? I think so. We want something that's easily washed. I would spend a little bit more on the duvet cover, which is the thing that goes on the outside of the insert, which makes up the top cover. So it kind of looks like a comforter, but it's not. It's a duvet cover and an insert. This is the duvet cover. Looks kind of like sheets. This is the actual insert. I mean, you would want to snuggle up to this, right? I would. And I would spend a little bit more money on it because, as you can see with this type of fabric, which is a linen, you're gonna get a little bit more breathability. It looks a little more luxe. It doesn't look bad if it's wrinkled, in my opinion. I like it a little mussed. Whereas the percale or the pure cotton sheets, or duvet cover, sorry, it can look a little bit just sloppy if it's not perfectly smooth. So I recommend, there's a few retailers that really make an affordable linen duvet cover. I'm gonna link it for y'all, okay? Finally, you kind of finish the bed off with a couple of throw pillows. I would go a little bit bigger than you might think because if they're small, they look dinky. And again, get a cover and an insert because then you can wash them. Same idea as the duvet. You want things that can be washed because it means you'll replace them less often. And then at the end of the bed, I highly recommend doing a end of the bed blanket. And again, just make sure it's not too small or else it will look a little dinky. This will save your duvet cover from dirt and stuff from shoes, and it also kind of breaks it up and makes it look super nice. So there is no, there's no hard and fast rule when it comes to beds. They should be comfortable, they should be stylish, they should be cost efficient, but some of these components will increase your success in taking the mystery out of what makes a bed really inviting and memorable, and what makes it a little bit like, not my favorite. We can talk about this all day, but I know what y'all really want are the links to create the perfect Airbnb bed. So I'm gonna put them at the bottom of the video, and you can click on them, purchase them directly. Thank you so much for watching. This is Rocky Peterson.